Hello, beautiful friends. I'm Susanna. Welcome back to my channel. And then, my voice is drawing. Okay. So please look at this. I bought this yarn 30 balls, and then because I have a requested project that is a dress with cable, so I'm gonna crochet cable pattern on front and on sleeves, and that is a bladed cable, so I think that is very beautiful, I believe. And therefore, if you would like to join me, please prepare 3,000 meters long of the yarn, and that is the worsted weight yarn. This is 60 gram and 108 meters long here. And then the recommended hook size is 7 to 8, but I better to use size J or K. So J 10 or K 10.5, that is 6.0 or 6.5. I don't decide yet now. And in the last project, I used the same yarn to make a cardigan and a crew neck sweater. The cardigan I used the size J, and the crew neck sweater I used size H, or 5.0. H8. And in this project, I'm still thinking I better to use size H or J, or I 5.5. I'm still thinking. And this is ice glaze, so it's very beautiful, I believe. And the subscriber asked me to make a turtleneck. And I'm still thinking for myself, I better to make turtleneck or without turtleneck. And I'm gonna make a video with turtleneck and without turtleneck, so you can choose both way. So I think that is helpful, maybe. And I'm not sure yet now. This season I made a turtleneck sweater, and I crocheted or I knitted a turtleneck sweater. So this is the third project of this season of the turtleneck. So I'm thinking, but maybe I should do that. And I don't know if the 3,000 meters are enough or not, but if you, I think that is maybe knee high. So I think around the knee, and if you want to longer, please prepare more, or you can add later. So anyway, this is a brief information, and this is my new upcoming project. I want to show you the details first, and I want to make it in a top-down method, so you can crochet from top down without assemble. So that is I know you love that way, and that way I believe that cable pattern will show more beautiful, so I chose that way. Okay, all right. So that is a brief information of the upcoming project, and I'm sorry I can't show you some swatch or something, just the yarn. Okay, all right. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.